Hello and welcome to this class. One of the biggest challenges we face as print designers is optimizing our time when we want to show our designs publicly, either for our website or social networks. To do this, we can create work templates that will improve our workflow. In this class, I am going to teach you how to make a specific template for social networks with Photoshop. This template will allow you to create audio posts for social networks in a very fast and visual way, always keeping a cohesive look in all your publications. My name is Beatriz Pascual and I am a surface pattern designer from Spain. I consider organization is a key part of our workflow and I teach ways to get better on this. During this class, we will pay attention to the creation of the base with appropriate parameters, and we will include different artboards for each type of publication that we use more commonly in our social networks. I will show you how to include your prints as well as images to highlight them, adding details that will enhance their presentation. Whether you design with vectors or with pixels, Photoshop is perfect for this purpose, and I will show you how to omit a common mistake that happens with vectors when copying vector patterns into pixels. Finally, I will show you how to export your posts in a very agile and efficient way. As a project, you will have to design your own social media template and generate your post for one of your prints. So, are you ready to speed up your design for social media posts? Let's get started with the class.